Okay, we were in Utah this past weekend and picked up a few different things. Just a couple little bonsai things. Thanks Cactus and Tropicals for carrying bonsais and stuff. I've heard about this one before. It's called Premna, Premna. I know that, say, like in Florida, they sell these by the buttload, but saw this, it's like, okay, I gotta have it. So really cute. Thing with this one is like, do I want to put it in that pot? It kind of looks really cool. Or do I go like, okay, it's like with that one, just kind of like, it's always tough trying to decide like what pots to use. I have a really shallow one too. That might look really cool, but it's always like depends on like what look you really want. And I have this one, but I think this is actually kind of like too big for it. Kind of like drowns it out. So, but yeah. And then the other one I got. This is called Malpighia. It's not a pig. It's not a bad pig. Spelled Malpighia. And they call it Holly Mini. Actually, if you look this up, it has really pretty flowers on it. So I'm gonna get that in another pot. The soil mixture that these guys use seems like a very organic, so it seems really soggy. So whenever I've gotten pots or plants from them, I try and get them into like a more draining type of soil. That's it, right? No, that's not it. Because at my parents' house, all sorts of different things blow in. So probably type of red maple. We'll just see, put them in a pot, see what they're gonna do. And I'm always collecting seeds. So no matter where I go, there I am. I was golfing, and then lo and behold, right on the golf course is Acer negunda, or also known as box elder, which is actually a native species in Utah and some different parts. And then since I was like back to like where I used to live up in northern Utah, right outside like my hometown, a cute little Gleditsia variety, and then I just had to grab some. But Gleditzias, or honey locust, what you might know them as, they actually grow fairly well. So I've had good luck with seeds on those. So just gotta pot those up, see what they'll do. That is this week's of what I've been up to.